Hi guys, once again I'm down at Versova Beach. Look this. Who is joining me? Hi Tejas. So I am here at Versova Beach to read my poetry. First of all, a very happy Republic Day to all of you. And I'm enjoying at Versova Beach. So today guys, I'm going to read my English poem, and this is my English poetry live session. So I'm finding the place again. Hi Dilip, how are you?
You come with cap. You come with cap.
Many people are there, everyone is enjoying. Look this. So what my poetry is, what it is explaining, I'm not going to tell you because it won't be a justice if a poet tell everything about the poetry. So hi Manmohan ji, yeah, hello. So it be good if you listen it or read it. So my poetry title is Pandora Lady. So I'm finding the place to read it out. I hope you will like it, and just finding the place because either network is too slow or lost because it's a seashore place. So I'm not sure about the network connection. So Gargi, Kesu, tell me one thing guys, if I'm perfectly audible or visible, tell me so that I could start. Hi everyone, and I'm just starting. It's a sun rays also on my face. So I think it's a perfect. I don't think it's the perfect. Yeah. So it's up to our reader, our listener, how they improvise the poetry, because I'm not going to tell you anything about this poem, and so please listen it. Title is Pandora Lady. You only see the beauty of these eyes. You never ever try to catch the train of her thoughts. Do you have guts to love a Pandora lady? I can make you feel love, give you a feeling of comfort. I will give everything that I have, and that's why sorrow opened the page, pain down an effort. These letters make you cry. Their story leaves you to sigh. A certain chapter needs to be understood. I live in a sea city. I live in a sea city. Will you come to meet me? I am offering you a happy journey. Are you ready to roam in Venice? Island is my address. No way to come through. Island is my address. No way to come through. Sites are the nearby station where my relative lives. I am in no connection zone. My passport is pending, and I am an immigrant in this materialistic world. But I have an asset of feelings treasure where love and pain rest together. And so my title got infamous. You are now trying to clean every corner where dust might get rest. You have closed the door and opened a window. Now you are seeing the beauty and typing a response. Hey, don't get wondered. This is a modified version of the curse. This is 21st century Pandora lady along with her magic beauty. Do you have guts to make an affair? So this was my poem. So guys, how did you find it? Let me know in the comment section. I will be motivated if you give me a response or DM me. So this all about, that is Ayush. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining me, and soon I will come again. Satya Prakash ji, hi, hello. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, Ayush. Okay, bye. Take care, and I will come again soon. Thank you.